There's one big mistake that I see a lot of resellers doing. And watch my word, I said reseller. I did not say Amazon seller. I did not say online arbitrage seller. I said reseller. And I did it for one reason. So this is what I'm going to talk about today. But before I do, we have a Discord server, best place to ask any question about selling on Amazon, about reselling, about building a business. And it's the best place to meet other people having the same goal and doing the same thing as you do, right? So link in the description, join the Discord server, and let's get into the video. So as I said, there's one mistake that I see a lot of resellers doing. And this mistake is calling themselves resellers. Because when you think about the word reseller, most of the time, you do not think about someone who runs a business. And the mistake that a lot of people do is that they put themselves in that specific case of a reseller, of some guy just selling some stuff on eBay, selling some stuff on Facebook Marketplace, and just hustling, like really hustling and not building a business. And this is a mistake that I see a lot of people doing. And this, as I said, it puts those people in cases, and it does not allow them to grow and to really build a business. Because the truth is that we like to think about selling on Amazon, and I'm gonna talk right now specifically about selling on Amazon, but like we like to talk about selling on Amazon, like same thing in those cases. Like you are either an online arbitrage seller, a wholesale seller, a retail arbitrage seller, but the line in between those is not as clear-cut as people would like to tell you, especially the line in between online arbitrage and wholesale. And I don't think that it should necessarily be two models. And especially right now that I am actually, dipping my toes into wholesale a little bit, there's no reason for me to do only online arbitrage or only wholesale, because the products that I can find doing one and the other are the same. And like, the products that I've been ordering doing wholesale are products that I've been replenishing, like doing online arbitrage, right? So the line in between those two is not that clear cut, and you should not just define your business by that. You run a business, you run an e-commerce business, and you do not have to only sell on Amazon. You can sell on Walmart Marketplace, you can sell on eBay as well if you do wholesale. You can sell in a lot of places. And I think this is the way you should see your business, and you should really stop calling yourself a reseller or calling yourself, a hustler, like whatever, because this is not it. Like, the truth is, like, if it's what you really want to do, if it is what makes you happy, by all means, like, do you. But I believe that most of us, and at least the people I talk with, I should say, on the Discord server and stuff, we are all on a mission to actually build a business, right? And not just build some side hustle. And you should, because the truth is this, right? And I talked a little bit about retail arbitrage, and like the line in between online arbitrage is not that big, but like the line is more clear cut in between retail arbitrage and online arbitrage than it is in between online arbitrage and wholesale. But the truth is that this is the reason why a lot of people do not actually, and this is something I've been talking about as well, some people do not actually move to the best business model, do not graduate from retail arbitrage to online arbitrage, from online arbitrage to wholesale. I'm not saying that if you do online arbitrage, you should absolutely graduate to wholesale and stop online arbitrage all at once. But yes, if you have a lot of money, yes, at one point, like, it does not make sense to keep doing online arbitrage, right? But you should definitely upgrade it, because here's the thing: the only difference in between those business model is the procurement. Right? It's only the procurement. It's only how easy it is to buy a lot of inventory. And with retail arbitrage, it's going to be way harder than with online arbitrage. So when you have a lot of money to spend, it's not going to be as easy to buy like 100 units, 200 units with retail arbitrage that it is with online arbitrage and that it is with wholesale. With wholesale, it's going to be super easy. But for every single one of those business models, the barrier of entry is going to be a little bit higher, right? So you should see yourself as a businessman. You're trying to build a business, in the e-commerce space. You're not just a reseller, All right, you're not just a reseller, or you're not just flipping stuff. No, you're not just flipping stuff. You are building an e-commerce business. And do not make this mistake, because this mistake is going to cause you to see yourself in a light that is not going to be that is not going to allow you to grow past. Like, at one point you should graduate from selling books, you should graduate from retail arbitrage. As I said, if it's something that makes you happy, by all means do it. But if you're trying to build a business, and if you're trying to make more money and to build something big, because if you're not, what are you doing with your life? It's kind of boring, like, to be honest. But yeah, if you're not trying to better, if you are trying to better yourself, to build a bigger business, at one point you need to graduate. Seeing yourself as a reseller, seeing yourself as a flipper, a product flipper, or someone who flips stuff on the internet, is not going to help you get you there. All right, graduate. Do not make this mistake, and start making more money. Start building a bigger business, and start building an empire. So that's today's video. Do not make this mistake. I had to say this. By the way, if you watch until here, thank you for the 1,000 subscribers. We are 1,000 on this channel. I'll make a video talking a little bit more about that tomorrow. Probably, or the following days, I want to talk a little bit more about all that's been going on YouTube, and, you know, that journey from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys, and thank you for watching. Watch these videos on the screen if you want to keep learning about online arbitrage. And I'll see you tomorrow, because I release a new video every single day. Thank you for watching.